Hello, my friends. Here we have an example of a resume. Some good things about it, some bad things about it, but I think we can go through it and see how we can make yours perfect. First thing you have is contact information. Absolutely important. How do they get in touch with you? We've got here, this obviously is an old one. It's got a home phone. How many of you have landlines? Need your cell phone, your email. I would put that. One thing I like about this resume is it's easy to read. Lots of white space there. Objective. I'd like that on your resume. What are you looking for? You can make up the position if you want, but this person wants an accounting position with a CPA firm. Very clear, direct. Don't put down that you just want a meaningful occupation. No. What do you want? Summary of qualifications. This is pretty good if you have something that's related to that objective that you have there. This person talks about his accounting knowledge. What I'm really interested in is James, is proficient in all of these. If that's relevant to what you're looking for, I would certainly spell him out too. If a language knowledge is important, if any kind of experience is important, put it out here. You don't have to put dates here, just very much in general. Experience. This person has put experience before education because he has experience that's directly related to the position he's looking for. If you don't, you might want to put education first. You're in school now. That's a big deal. So your choice is to whether you put the experience first or the education. Notice you do from the present, 2006 to the present, and then you work backwards, 2001 to 2005. If you have gaps, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it now. We'll cover that in the cover letter later. And then if it is relevant to what you're looking for, I would like you to put down a description of what exactly you did in that job. That makes sense to me. Education, you are working on an associate's degree, probably. And here you put down any accolades that you might have. Are you a member of Sigma Tau Delta? Do you have anything else? This is where I would put in my other skills too. Which would include languages if you haven't already said them, any other skills you might have. And then the other thing I would add to this is references available upon request. Don't list your references, please don't, but just put references available upon request. Make sure your resume is one page. And that's all for now.